Scott, and this is the original PK Grill and Smoker. The PK is made out of cast aluminum. It's basically two thick cast parts. Even the hinges are cast into the mold, so there's nothing to rust or break. So why do we make our grills out of aluminum? Basically 2 reasons. The first reason is that aluminum conducts heat way more efficiently than steel. This aluminum capsule moves the heat around and it creates a convective effect for your food. Whenever you put food in a PK grill and you close the lid, it gets cooked from all sides. The second reason we make our grills out of aluminum is that aluminum is inherently rust-proof. Whenever you buy a PK grill, it'll last for a lifetime. One of the unique features about the PK is that it has 4 vents. 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And what these vents allow us to do is set this grill up for hot and fast grilling like you would use for steaks and hot dogs, or for low and slow barbecue like you might do for a pork butt or a slab of ribs. One of the other cool things about the PK is that it lifts off its cart without any tools, so it's really easy to travel with. It's great for camping, superb for tailgating. You won't sacrifice food quality if you take the PK with you. That's the original PK Grill and Smoker. Pick one up today. It'll be the last charcoal barbecue grill you ever buy.